If you're a solo service provider, coach, counselor, healer, consultant, or course creator, I want to talk to you today about something that I see holding incredibly talented practitioners back over and over again. And that's inconsistent income. One great month, two slow ones, a little panic sets in, repeat. Sound familiar? It doesn't have to be that way. And so today I want to share with you what I call the prosperity pyramid. These are the 4 cornerstones that I use with my clients to help them build consistent, reliable incomes. We're talking $10,000, $20,000 a month without burning out and without relying on luck. Hi, I'm Carrie Wallace, qualified counsellor, coach, copywriter and marketeer, helping practitioners confidently attract clients they love working with. So let's get into it. Cornerstone number 1 is positioning. Your ideal clients need to know you exist. Now, I know that sounds almost too simple, but honestly, some of the most gifted practitioners I've ever met are the world's best kept secret. And that's a tragedy. Because if the right people can't find you, they simply can't work with you. So positioning is about making sure that you are visible to the people who need you most. Cornerstone number 2 is lead generation. This is one I feel really strongly about. Well, actually, I feel strongly about them all. You might have a big following on Instagram or Facebook right now. That's wonderful. Congratulations. But here's the thing. You don't own that audience. The algorithm could change tomorrow. Your reach could disappear overnight. And there's nothing you can do about it. Which is why building your email list is so important. Because your list is yours. Nobody can take it away from you. Now, here's where most people get this wrong. They throw together a quick checklist or a generic PDF or, lordy savers, these days an AI-generated guide. And then they wonder why nobody on their list ever actually buys anything. Here's why. We're already completely overwhelmed with information. Your audience doesn't need more information. What they need is a lead gift that meets them exactly where they are. Something that attracts people who are genuinely ready to take action. And that's exactly what I help my clients create. Cornerstone number 3 is nurturing. Getting someone onto your list is just step 1. Now you need to show up for them. You need to build the relationship. Deepen the connection that was started with your lead generation and gift. Because people don't buy from businesses. They buy from people that they know, they like, and they trust. And that trust, it's built in the quiet, consistent moments between the sale. Your emails, your content, your presence. That's where the relationship lives. And I like to say to my clients, conversation is connection. And cornerstone number 4 is delivery. This is the one that's closest to my heart because everything else we've just talked about means absolutely nothing if you don't deliver on your promises. And I don't just mean doing an okay job, being meh. I mean genuinely caring, going that extra mile, being the kind of person your clients rave about. I've been told I'm one of those rare gems who genuinely cares about her clients because I stay with them until they succeed. And honestly, that's the thing I'm most delighted about. So there you have it, the prosperity pyramid. 4 cornerstones to attracting, engaging and delighting your clients so they refer you on. I know you can do it. So why the hell not? And when you're ready, check out this next video, which will give you more tips on how to build your email list.